Welcome to my channel about Unity development. Today I'm going to talk about variables. You can think of variables as the data you need in a game, such as health, how many bullets left, and in-game currency. Once you define your variables, then you will do some calculation in your script, like taking damage or buy something from the weapon store in-game. So to define your variables in script, you need to tell the system what type of variables you need. In some programming language, this is unnecessary as the type will be defined automatically once you start assigning values to it, and then you will need to give your variables a name. It is a good practice to name your variables the best that you can to describe what you want to store, for example health or bullets, etc. But before we type in your variables type, we usually put public or private before. These two keywords define whether this variable can be accessed from the other script. To put it in simple words, public will allow you to have access from other script, and private means you don't. Then when we focus on your variable type, we usually use int, float, and boolean, etc. And don't forget to put a semicolon at the end of the line. So the most common variable types are integer, float, boolean, and string. As we can refer to it, integer will be always a whole number, and there cannot be any decimal places. For float, it is mainly used for storing a number that have decimal places. Boolean means it will either be true or false. For example, we can have a boolean type variable called machine power. If it's true, it means it's currently turned on, and of course, if it's off, it will be false. And last, we have string. This is quite self-explanatory. The only thing that we need to remember is we need to put it in between a pair of double quotation marks. So the best thing to understand this in more in-depth is to try different variables in your C# script, like creating some variables and try out some calculation, then print it out to Unity console to see if you are getting expected result. This will be a great step to learn programming, as this is the most fundamental knowledge. In the next video, I will talk about more advanced knowledge on variables. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit a like on this video. I hope I can see you soon. Goodbye.